everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I kind of wanted to show you a few techniques that can help with minimizing the appearance of these 11s. If you're like me and they're a main concern, but you don't really want to do toxic fillers like Botox and things like that, then I want to show you a few tricks that you can implement into your skincare routine as well as doing it throughout the day. I have been a squinter since I was a child. So I do this when I watch TV. I'm constantly doing it when I work on people. But our neck and our shoulders bring forward because of the fascia and can create tension in this area. So first I want to suggest working and loosening the neck and getting some massages into the neck. So the first step I would say is just take your hands and line them right along the spine and just kind of drag forward, and this will help kind of release the tension in your neck. Go all the way up to the occipitus, which is like right below your skull, I guess. And that actually, right where the bone is, bony part of the skull and the neck meet, that actually can affect your eyes in this area. So if you have a headache back here, or if you have a headache right here or behind your eyes, it's related to that area back behind your neck. So after you've released that, one thing you can do, now these, you don't have to do all of these. These are just steps that you can implement. If you like one more than the other, you can use the one. If you like them all, implement them all. But there's one thing I like to do that's super easy when it's like if I'm at a meeting or if I'm like focused and I know I'm tense, I just hold. Just kind of come up and hold for about 10 seconds. And then that just kind of reminds, since this messages, to remind your body to relax in that area. The next step or the next move that you could try when you're washing your face or even sitting down and after you have maybe a little bit of cream on, you can take your two fingers like this and you're gonna start here at your inner brow and then just kind of go like that. And you want your fingers to almost like, you want to feel them sink in. And there's not, I don't know how to explain this. There's not a lot of pressure, but you want them to sink and then slide. And you do that about 5 times, and you're going to do it to the other side. Other step is you want to loosen. So after we work our neck here, all of this comes up here. So it has like, comes up, the occipitus comes into the aponeurotica, which comes into the frontalis. So then just kind of relax, like get in by the hairline and relax your forehead. This will also help relax forehead lines, and then just work your way down to above your brow. And you can do like circles, anything like that. And then if you have a gua sha comb like this, you can kind of go over the top of your head as well, and that will help also bring relaxation to the front of your face. I should say the front top of your face. So you could do that. And if you also have a gua sha stone that you like to use, maybe you don't want to use your hands, you're gonna take the end of this, and first you're gonna kind of like, and you always want to anchor, you're gonna release inside there by the procerus, and then the other side you'll do this 3 times and then smooth it out, kind of just over the brow, and then smooth it out this way. Also relax the brow. So this is something you could do throughout the day too. You just hold gently. You're not gonna squeeze too hard, And this helps with fascia release as well. So you grab it and then kind of stretch nice and gently. And you're gonna do that across the brow line, nice and slow. So obviously you want to have clean hands if you are touching yourself throughout the day, so that you don't get all the dirt on your face, or kind of if you don't have clean hands and you're transferring any kind of bacteria or viruses to your face. The technique is if you have a gua sha stone and there's like little edges on this. This is my professional one that I use in the back bar. You're just gonna hold and gently, you don't have a lot of pressure, go over each line and then just smooth it out again. Another thing you can do is if you have the sensitive kinetic tape, you can make these little strips. You're gonna measure from here to about here. Sometimes they go a little bit longer. And then you kind of pop it like that. And then you're gonna put it right there. And then pull it down. Oop, this one's a little bit long. So, but that's how you're gonna do that. So I will wear these sometimes during the day if I remember, because when I'm working, because like I said in the beginning, I squint a lot. But if you're not a person that likes to do it during the day, then I definitely wear these when I sleep. So yeah, so that's called face taping. Again, it's about probably like a half an inch, a little under a half an inch. It kind of depends on your face, to be honest with you, I believe. And then you're just gonna go down right, probably at the bridge of your nose. I went a little too far with this one. I measured a little bit too long. But this is really good to wear because it kind of prevents you from even making that face. So. I got one more. This will be the last one. This is something else you could do. So again, let it connect with the skin at the top of the level, and then just let it sink in and apply pressure for 3 seconds. And you're just gonna kind of move. And in some spots you'll feel like you can feel a little bit more tension. I know I feel a lot of tension here. This is your corrugator. And they say that's kind of what makes that frown line. But like I said, the body works as a whole, and because the fascia is all one continuous piece of fibers and collagen and elastin and all of the things, if we work the back of your neck and your head and the top of your head, you'll see probably a little bit better results, especially if you work at a computer all day. So I hope that helps. If you have any ideas or anything you want to see, please leave a comment. Thanks.